Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. Are you looking for a multivitamin for that special guy over 40 in your life? Then I definitely would recommend this one from New Chapter. It is the Every Man's Multivitamin 40 Plus, one daily. New Chapter is an excellent vitamin company. I love it because it's a whole food vitamin, which is easy to digest, and you can take this on an empty stomach. It has so many wonderful vitamins in here, as well as other supplements to help you with prostate support, with cardio support, digestive support. It's all the things that a man 40 and over will need. Now, as you can see here, the pill is about the size of a quarter. This is no problem for him. And this is also the reason I like this particular vitamin, because it is one daily. I think that your guy is going to love these as much as mine does. It is wonderful because it is specifically for men 40 and over. It's going to give them that prostate support they need. It's going to fill them with multivitamins. And one of the best things as well is they can take this on the go on an empty stomach because it is a whole food vitamin. I definitely would recommend it. And that is my point of view.